Welcome to 660 Aidan Drive, where you will find beautiful granite counters, new flooring, and new lights in this brick home, located in the popular Foxcroft Subdivision. This split 3 bedrooms floor plan has a great room, dining room, foyer, eat-in kitchen, and a utility room. There are vaulted ceilings in the great room, dining room, and one of the bedrooms. Enjoy a large master bedroom with an 8-foot by 6-foot 6 inches walk-in closet, a master bath with dual sinks, and a separate toilet room. The great room has a fireplace. The kitchen appliances remain. There is a 2-car garage and sidewalks. The home is in the Kingsbury Elementary area and has city sewer. Click on the red dots to go to that location of the home. Click on the back arrow to return to the previous scene. Click the forward arrow to view the next scene, or just sit back and enjoy the tour as it plays. The dining room is located to the right of the foyer upon entering the home. It has vinyl tile floors, a vaulted ceiling, a large arched window, and measures 12 feet by 11 feet 7 inches. The great room has vinyl plank floors, a vaulted ceiling, a corner fireplace, a ceiling fan, and measures 22 feet 9 inches by 14 feet 11. The eat-in area of the kitchen measures 9 feet 4 inches by 7 feet 2. The kitchen has beautiful granite counters, laminate vinyl tile floors, appliances that remain, and measures 12 feet 1 inch by 9 feet 4. The kitchen has beautiful granite counters and appliances that remain. These appliances include the refrigerator, range, hood, dishwasher, and disposal. The mud area is located off the kitchen. It leads to the master bedroom, making this a split bedrooms floor plan, the laundry room, and the 2-car garage. The master bedroom is located off the kitchen, making this a split bedrooms floor plan. It has carpet, a tray ceiling with a ceiling fan, a private master bath, a huge walk-in closet, and measures 18 feet 8 inches by 13 feet. The master bath has dual sinks, a separate toilet room, and measures 11 feet 6 inches by 8 feet 1. The master walk-in closet has carpet and measures 8 feet by 6 feet 6 inches. The guest hall is located off the great room and leads to the guest bedrooms and bath. Bedroom 2 has carpet, a ceiling fan, a closet, and measures 12 feet 1 inch by 11 feet.